trying to get to the
glass at the bottom where it jumped down.
electrical panel here.
I'm at it. All right.
Can you see what breaker it is? Is it labeled?
I would go get your test here.
No batteries.
Your heater. We'll get something.
Ah, boy. And there's my furnace.
I don't know.
I just hit the switch and I can hear it humming, so hold on. I love my job. So, furnace is in this lovely home where literally have nowhere to work. I got crap in my ass. It's great. Hopefully I can get this done and out of here quick because I can't breathe. My asthma fucking hurts. Okay, well, we got the furnace in. About to test it now. Got it in. Smoke pipe up there at the reducer. I'm gonna patch that because I guess that was an old humidifier or something weird. But yeah, so we got that done, thank God. Because yeah, the longer I'm here, the more I keep finding like this lovely filter with cat shit just sitting on the filter. So yeah, and these are old filters just sitting here. Dude, what the? So yeah, hopefully this turns on and we can jet. All right, finally got out of that house in this lovely neighborhood. So now I get to go back to the shop and burn my clothes because they don't smell good. Fun times in the hood.